FitLab Pittsburgh podcast is back with another movement tip and lifestyle hack. It's Memorial Day weekend, the unofficial start of summer, and even if you're not a meal prepper, this is a great time of year to think about being a snack prepper. We tend to get outside more at this time of year, we're running about, and sometimes it's hard to make good food decisions. So if you have some healthy snacks prepped in advance in the house, it's easy to grab those as you run out the door, so you won't be at the mercy of what you can find at a restaurant or a convenience store. Today I made myself a batch of the Treat Yourself protein bars from Kathryn Budig's Aim True book. They taste great, they're full of fuel to keep your body going through your movement activities. So remember, part of having a movement lifestyle is to fuel your body accordingly. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.